In order to be able to bend rattan, it has to be soft. So sometimes they boil it or sometimes they use fire. Just like he's kind of using the fire here, and he's got this machine here where he's going to be wrapping it around with the fire to be able to make it so it will be soft enough that it can be bent. So this is one of the methods that he does. You can see he's kind of hammering it down there as he goes along, because he needs this to be tight. Each row needs to be kind of tight. When you look at this rattan, you can see it's actually quite a long piece of rattan. And as I mentioned in my my blog, if you read my blog about rattan, then you will, one of the things is that rattan can be actually quite long. So you can see that this piece here is quite long. It's not broken. It's quite a substantial piece of rattan. Now that it's all finished, he kind of takes a fire over it again, just to make sure that it's really all able to be formed in the way that he needs it to be able to be formed. Now he has that little last piece that's been sticking out, so he kind of takes this bar here with a fire and has somebody else help him, and they start to be able to take the very last piece and make sure that it goes in and it's secure against their mold that they have there. So they keep putting fire on it because they want to make sure that it's been completely soft, it's completely against the mold, and that it's completely the shape that they want it to be. Now they're getting ready to take it off of this little mold that they have there, and they'll take it off and then they'll tie it and keep it there for some time until they need it for their production of their chair. And here's an example of a chair that they've made. We hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please visit us at Mindoro.com or check out our YouTube channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to be able to help you to design, develop, and create some amazing home decor products here in Asia. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much for listening.